Bàbá olóyin, Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run. Bàbá olóyin gan, bàbá olóyin original MC àti Yesota, bàbá olóyin Boston, Yesota. I want to tell you about leaves in Africa. You have many leaves in Africa, especially Yoruba place. We have one leaf in Yoruba land. We call it forgiveness sin. Forgiveness leaf. Ewé origin. If you offend, you want forgiveness for that sin. You better get one leaf for that one. How we are using it, I will tell you about it on this channel. Not today. We have mercy leaves. Ewé àánú. Ewé àánú. If you want to be receiving favor from people, just one ewé àánú. You hide it with one or two things. Anywhere you go, people will show mercy on you. You are looking for visa, you are looking for favor, you are looking for people to show mercy on you. When you combine one or two things together with mercy leaves, you are on the correct road. People will show mercy for you. They will show mercy on you. We have another leaf. We call it DNA leaves. You know, some people, when they are fighting about the paternity of a child, there is a tribe in Nigeria. If they born a newborn baby, they will carry the child to the river. After 7 or 8 days, they put it inside the river. If the boy or girl is a bastard, he will sink down in the water, in the river. But if it's not a bastard, he or she, when they put it inside the river, they throw him in the river. He will float like this. They will clap. There's a tribe in Nigeria that used to do that one. Yes, they will come back home, say it's a bastard. The mother of the boy or girl, they will cry. But in my place, if you suspect the pregnancy your wife is carrying is not your womb, there is a leaf, DNA leaves. You give your wife to squeeze for you. You pretend that you have stomach problems. Help me squeeze these leaves. As she's squeezing the leaves with water, she'll be doing like this. Yes, you will know that the pregnancy your wife is carrying is not for you. You know the African is that's African DNA. Don't forget the channel you are watching is Kenny Show Television by Baba Oloyin Original. Kenny Show. This is Kenny Show Television. Kenny Show. Please always watch this channel and subscribe. Watch this channel and don't forget to subscribe. If you have subscribed, no problem. But if you have not, try to do so that you will be informed when I release new videos. So today, I want to talk about these leaves. This is cocoyam leaves. Ojo pe we koko bole ya koya. Ojo pe we koko bole ya koya. Ojo pe we koko bole ya koya. These leaves, this is cocoyam leaf. You see, if somebody get epilepsy, warapa, you know epilepsy, person will just fall down without anybody falling him or her down. On the main road like this, person will just fall down. You see some Okada man, nobody hit him. He will just fall down by himself. If somebody get epilepsy, he cannot drive motor. He must not drive Okada. He must not be cooking. He must not near fire. Because when the thing catch him or her, he will just put head into the fire. If he's cooking with gas or stove, he will not know when he will just stomp on it. So the solution to it is this. You go to a cocoyam farm where they get plenty cocoyam leaves like this. I can say when you go to cocoyam plantation, but if it is not up to plantation, if it is a small half a plot or a full plot that they get this cocoyam leaves, you go there early in the morning. The water, you will see small water. I don't say when the rainfall finish, you will go there. No, you will go there when it is not the rainy season. If it is rainy season, you will make sure that that particular day, rain didn't fall. Rain didn't fall a day to the time. You go there the early morning before 7. So you will see small water on this cocoyam. That water, you will take a very big plastic. You take the water, you collect the water. You may collect half a bottle of water from this cocoyam if you go there early morning before sunshine. When you collect the water, mix it with honey. Mix it with a bottle of honey. The person that gets epilepsy, let him or her to be taking 1 spoon in the morning, 1 tablespoon in the afternoon, 1 tablespoon in the night. By the special grace of God, that epilepsy will go. Yes, that epilepsy, warapa, will go. Some people, they say they don't charge for epilepsy. Yes, they don't charge for it, but some people are charging for it. When you say they don't charge for it, somebody that get epilepsy, you carry him or her to herbalist. You say she will treat him or her for you. Because you are not in a position to pay money. Do you expect the herbalist to go and buy materials for you free of charge? No. It is impossible unless you want to deceive yourself. Herbalists that want to do correct work for you, they know how to collect money for that. But I'm giving you free of charge now. Yes, I'm giving you free of charge. When you go to the farm, you will collect the leaves. You get the leaves. You will just shake the leaves. You carry a very small plastic bowl. You will collect the water. Mix it with honey. Yes. The person will be taking it as I earlier mentioned, that 1 tablespoon in the morning or one or 2 spoons in the morning, afternoon, and night. By the special grace of God, that epilepsy will disappear. You will see my phone number at the bottom of this program. Always WhatsApp. If you call, nobody will pick it. Only text messages are allowed. Send your text message. Send your message on WhatsApp. Somebody is there to reply you. Yes, my number is there. Don't forget this channel is Kenny Show. Kenny Show Television. Kenny Show. All these leaves I mentioned that I don't mention today, I will mention it in future. We have forgiveness in origin. We can use it. We have forgiveness. We have you will kill everything. You will get it. You can do me better nothing. There's one leaf. How can we use that leaf in future? When you keep watching this program on this channel, you will see. Don't forget, a new book is coming. African Power. African Power. You will get more information on that book. Just watch out. The book will be released in October by the special grace of God. October this year, 2020. African Power book will be released. You will hear more about African Power, African Leaves. Till then, don't forget, subscribe to this channel. WhatsApp your message. Send your message on WhatsApp or just send ordinary message. Somebody is there to reply you. Till next time when you meet me on this channel, Kenny Show Television. Stay blessed.
Bàbá Olóyin, Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run.